In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document on the HP DeskJet 2900 printer series. So let's place the document onto the flatbed scanner with page 1 facing downwards. Align it to the bottom right corner. On the control panel, if the printer is asleep, simply press on the cancel button to wake up the printer. Then press on the color copy button once, since we want to copy this in color. Page 1 is copied. It is in this orientation. You need to flip it over and reload into the input tray. To copy page 2, we need to flip the document on the flatbed scanner. Once that is done, press on the color copy button once. Page 2 is copied. So this is page 2 and this is page 1. So this is how you do a two-sided copy on the HP DeskJet 2900 printer series.